Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Priyanka Banerjee, and this is Priyanka. Today's video, it's a veg fried rice recipe. I have added paneer. You can use mushroom also, but I am not taking mushroom here because I couldn't prefer it. So before starting the recipe, do subscribe my channel and never forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. So first of all, I have added a little bit of ghee. You can use butter also, olive oil also, but I have taken ghee. 2 to 3 teaspoon ghee is sufficient for 2 to 3% fried rice. Next I have added elaichi and bay leaves. तेज पत्ता और इलायची हम लोग ऐड करेंगे. Now we are going to add cauliflower and capsicum. I have taken a small size capsicum and little bit cauliflower. You can use the yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper as well. Then cover it for 10 to 15 minutes to make it completely fried. Then I have already boiled the rice with little bit of salt and green pieces, carrot and cashew nuts and kishmish. I have used it. You can use yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper as well. After 15 minutes, the vegetables are completely boiled and already fried. So now I am going to add the mixture like rice, pieces, carrots, cashew nut, kishmish, everything I have boiled, and now I am going to add this and mix it properly. So between the video, I want to say something guys, that lots of people asked me and DM me that from where I bought my all the utensils. All the utensils I have used, that bought it from the home center, some bought it from hometown and Amazon as well. All I bought it, it's not a promotional video. And one thing I want to add, that please subscribe my channel if you like this video. So thank you, and let's get started again. So now the main ingredients I am adding, this is the fried paneer. I have just cutted the paneer into the small pieces and fried in a olive oil. If you want, you can fry it in a ghee, butter as well. And now you can mix it evenly. अच्छे से आपको मिक्स करना पड़ेगा. जितना अच्छे से आप मिक्स करोगे, मेक श्योर जब आप मिक्स कर रहे हो राइस जो है वो ब्रेक ना हो जाए, क्योंकि फ्राइड राइस का जो मतलब मेन चीज होता है वो है कि आपका राइस ब्रेक नहीं होगा, बट राइस जो होगा वो बॉइल्ड होगा. I have made it like a Bengali style actually. If you want, you can try different style as well. And I have served with a Bengali Niramish aloo dum बोलते हैं हम लोग, and बैंगन fried. You can use chicken as well. Now I am going to add a little bit of ghee ताकि थोड़ा और अच्छा लगे. So ये भी मैंने होम सेंटर से लिया था. मिनी मतलब कुछ यूटेंसिल्स है, बहुत छोटू सा, बहुत क्यूट सा था. So I bought it. And now I am going to add the little bit of ghee. ऊपर से हम थोड़ा सा घी देंगे और उसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. And the fried rice is ready.